Surfing session 47. I got a new longboard. It is a solid 9-foot 2-inch LHP model. It stands for Longboard High Performance. I got it from the Ocean House Surf Shop in Nahant. I was looking for a longboard to add to my quiver that was easier to paddle in, that would allow me to catch waves earlier while they were still unbroken, and one that I could use for smaller wave days. I also wanted to still be able to turn, try to learn new maneuvers, and try nose riding on it. That's why I got a longboard. It's great for beginners like me and for the size of the waves we get in the region. It is like my old 7-foot surfboard, the Creative Army Jumbo Jet, with similar volume, 3 fins, and a similar shape. However, it is 2 feet longer and has a squash tail. With the extra length, it is easier to paddle as it has more surface area to glide over the water. I really should have been using one of these boards to begin with. It was much easier and much smoother. The 3 fins on it will still make it easier to turn. It has a design that makes it look like it's made of pine wood, but it's just painted on it. This was the first weekend I was using the new board in 1 to 2 feet waves. It was smooth and fun to surf on. I was able to catch several waves earlier than usual, and they were still unbroken. It felt similar to my old board, but the length of it was noticeable. It was smooth, easy to paddle, and it felt a lot faster on the water than my old board. Even though this was my first time using the board, I was able to pop up and catch most of the waves, though I still needed to get used to the dimensions, the feel, and my balance on it. I was also able to turn the board to the right and left easily by leaning on my back foot and crouching low. It was a successful day, and I look forward to trying this board on larger waves. It was a nice warm day here in June. I was able to take my hood off and paddle without gloves, but the water was still pretty cold. Because the waves were small, there were only a few surfers in the water, but a lot of people on the beach. This is one of my YouTube videos showing my progression as a beginner surfer. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. If you have any tips on how to transition to a longboard, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.